So in this video, we'll be talking about a social concept in sociology, and that is the concept of ideal culture and real culture. Remember, culture is everything that is shared among the people, and it guides their way of living. But these are the terminologies you often hear in sociology. So let's take down. Ideal culture is the values, norms, and goals that a group considers ideal, worth aspiring to. For example, success. Now, in every society, you will see that all the people aspire to become successful. They deem success as something ideal. It has to be pursued at all costs. Okay, so it's something which every culture labels as something very ideal, and everybody should do it. But what about actual scenario? Well, the real culture, as opposed to ideal culture, reflects what is happening. So, the real culture, the norms and values that people actually follow. What people do usually falls short of cultural ideal. So even though all the people they describe success as something very ideal, but success requires hard work. It requires consistency. So not all the people are willing to do this. Okay, there is lethargy. Okay, people cannot stick to one thing like forever to achieve success. So even though they idealize success, when it comes to real culture, they are not doing things which will bring them success. Okay, so there is always a lag between ideal culture and real culture. So sociologists often study this phenomena, and they study these phenomena, and they put forth their suggestions in order to guide the policymakers. For example, if they think that social cohesion, it should be a norm. Okay, but what is happening is that there is anomie in the society. There is normlessness. People are not following. People are not integrated. So what they will do is that they will identify this lag, and they will underscore the reasons for this, and then they will guide the policymakers, make suggestions that this should be done because of the lag between the ideal culture and real culture. I hope this video clarified your concept. For more videos, thanks. Do subscribe.